Cool. Since everybody is asking about the new upsells feature, here's how you use it. So select really any app. There's a lock icon. People join for free on this WAP, and I can just lock it. Like, hey, everything was free for, you know, 30 days or whatever. Now it's paid. You have to pay uh, $27 to unlock this Grow Faceless Guide. And I'm going to upsell it. I could do either before checkout, after checkout, or only display in this swap. So I'm gonna choose before checkout. It puts it into this little like add-on thing, so people can use that. Um, After checkout, it shows them like a screen, like, hey, like look at these extra things that you can also buy, or only display within the swap. And I just click save, and now this has become a locked app. See it loads here on the side, and there's this little lock icon. So when people click on it, can't see it as the owner of this, but they will see they have to pay for it. And that is the upsells feature. Pretty cool.